Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to a brand new episode of Cup TV brought to you by www.craftsuprint.com. Today we're going to look at a gorgeous Christmas mini kit from me, Anne-Marie Vaux. And this is cup number 637288_10. It's called a Christmas Tree A5 Trifold Fancy Card Mini Kit. You get 4 sheets, I've included the full instructions, and it makes a traditional festive Christmas card. Now, I'd like to show you the sheets that you get in the kit, and then we can make the card. It is really easy. When you've made one, you'll be hooked on the style. And I just think it is traditional, and it's something a little bit different. So, the 4 sheets that you get in the kit are... This is kind of like the main section of the card, and all will be revealed. So this is going to be the inside of the card, and these 2 items fold over at one side. Then we've got the card back and something that resembles maybe an insect, but it isn't. It does look a bit odd, but there's a reason. There was method in my designing here. Next, we have the other side of the card for the fold back, and we have some decoupage pieces. And then we have the sides to cover up the white bits, because some people don't mind the white bits and some people don't want the white bits. So you've got an option whether you want to use the panels to hide the sides or not. I just think it's a great design, and it's something a little bit different. This is the main section of the card. So you saw it on the actual sheet. I'm going to use the 2 pieces to cover up the white bits first, because I think I want the overall look of it. I want to show you how it all works together. So I'm going to add one of the panels to the back of this section, and then I'm going to add the square panel. I'm saying square, it's more like a rectangle, but we'll call it square. I've got just simple double-sided tape on the back, and this will just cover the white sections, as I say. Just if you want to cover them up. So those are the sides covered. I'm going to use my bone folder to make sure that's a nice sharp crease, and then I'm going to just set that to one side, because I've taken the other side of the card and I'm going to do the same with that. I'm going to cover the sections with the panels, because I want to cover those white bits up on the other side as well. So I've got double-sided tape on the back, and I'm simply just going to add the panel over the back of the card section, and then again the same for the large rectangle, square, rectangle. There we go. So those are my panels covered. There we go. So now they don't look quite so odd. So we're going to take the large section and the small section. The smaller section, where it's got the instructions, you're going to add double-sided tape, and then this is going to sit underneath the back of the inside section. So I'm just going to butt it up to the join like so, and then press down so that it makes the full folding card. And on the back, I'm going to turn it over, and the back section that we have, it's just plain. I've got double-sided tape on the back of it, and this is going to cover the join that we have. See, I've thought of everything, and it's just going to sit nicely on the back of the card like that. Press it down. Now at this point I'm going to use my bone folder just to make sure those creases are nice and sharp, just on the sides and on the front panels. There we go. And then we can add our decoupage to the front. So the first piece is the strange looking piece, and on the back of it I've drawn a line. I've just put it, after cutting it out, I put it over the top of the actual design, and I drew a line so that I knew where to put my adhesive foam, because the 3D foam doesn't want to be at this side because it's going to open. And I am just simply going to position the design over the top of the design on the side, like so, and press it down, because then that will open with no foam showing and no glue. Next, we have our next layer of decoupage. 3D foam all over this one because we're not taking it over an edge, we're just going over the panel in the centre, like so, and marrying it up. And then my last layer is the little bow that's going to go at the top of our centre Christmas tree like that. And that is our card finished. So it pulls up like that, and you've got a space for your message. It's all covered all the way around, and it's just such a great card. It stands up on a mantelpiece. I know you can't really see it from the front when it's stood up like that. So it's just a great kit to have in your stash, I think. And I just love the colours. It's really festive and traditional in colours. Now you can search for any of my designs by going to the Craftsuprint website and looking for Anne-Marie Vaux, V-A-U-X. And I'd like to remind you of the cup number for this. It's cup 637288_10. Now, if this is my only opportunity to wish you all a very happy Christmas, I'm going to take it. So please have a very happy, healthy and fantastic Christmas. And I'd like to say thank you for watching. I shall see you next time.